Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1936 Royal O model vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Very nice glossy black finish. Behind this flip panel are the margins, and I'm just going to keep this left one on 0 and the right one around 75. It's about the length of a page. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch forward 1, it skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, there's a switch on the right top here. Flip it to the left, it prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. When you have it in the middle, it prints the top portion of the ribbon. When you move it all the way to the right, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. We're going to move that to the red. Beautiful typing machine. This is one of the most popular typewriters ever produced because of the look of it. It's got the nice glossy black finish, and the shape is just really sharp looking. And the function is one of the best that Royal made as far as the key quality and all that, and the quality of parts and manufacturing on this is really nice. Really well done machine, very popular and all around. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the button, allowing you to pull the page out easier. Load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top right. Works good. Margin release on the top left. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release. It will allow you to go all the way to the end. That works good. We're going to move that color back to black and open the hood. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right clockwise. If you want to switch that direction, you just flip this switch here to the left and it pulls counterclockwise to the left. We're going to move that back so we pull to the right. Touch control in the middle here. The farther you go right, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. You do have to hit them harder, but they respond faster. I like mine on low. On the right side of the carriage is the carriage release behind the knob here. Very smooth. Smooth operator for sure on this typewriter all around. Carriage release behind this one. Very smooth as well. And if you push in this button here, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. And the same concept with this lever on the very top here. It disables the spacing. And then you flip it back and you get the space, those clicks, and that's 1 space each click. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.